Fun but educational. It's the sweet spot every creator chases. Not dry lectures, not just memes. Think, your brain gets a dopamine hit from laughs, then sneaks in real knowledge before you notice. Like sneaking veggies into pizza. Long version? People hate learning because school ruined it. Boring slides, tests, zero joy. But hook 'em with silly, they stay. Volcano baking soda blast? Kids giggling, then boom, chemical reaction lesson. No one's yelling, pay attention. Look, here's that classic. Two kids, foam eruption, pure chaos. Fun first. Then you drop. That's acid base, folks. Vinegar plus baking soda equals CO2 gas. They learn without realizing. Or this. Boy in goggles, lab coat, volcano going off. Cartoon vibe keeps it light. Nobody's scared of science. Why it works? Attention spans trash now. Fun buys you time. Educational sticks because emotion tags memory. Laugh, remember. For your channel, Easter reboot's perfect. Rebirth sounds deep, but make it goofy. I died last year. Now I'm back with jokes and facts. Video 1. Why Easter eggs are actually dinosaurs. Silly myth bust, then Paleontology 101. Or Solar System snacks. Pancake sun, fruit planets, kids eat, parents learn orbits. Zero homework feel. Bottom line, fun isn't fluff. It's the Trojan horse. Pack education inside, let joy do the heavy lifting. Viewers stay longer, share more, algorithm loves it. So yeah, Easter reset? Go silly smart. Make 'em laugh, then level 'em up. Before they know it, they're smarter and hooked.